document analysis, root cause analysis, or RCA. I've already talked about the root cause analysis in very much detail earlier in the quality management area, and I've told you multiple times that root cause analysis is one such technique which is not only bound to quality management or risk management or one particular area of project management. It can apply anywhere and everywhere, because every time when you're dealing with a situation, you are either talking about an issue or you are talking about a risk. When you are analyzing something, it's either a risk or an issue, most certainly. So root cause analysis can apply in all those situations, and in the exam as well. Like I've said multiple times earlier as well, around 80 to 90% situations can be handled with the application of this root cause analysis. So root cause analysis is nothing but this: knowing your uncertain situation or your certain situation as an issue, knowing the causes of the risk or the issue, knowing the impacts, the wider impact, not only the short-term impact. And when we say impact, we talk about scope, schedule, budget, and all those areas. I keep on saying it so that you understand that impact analysis, in the theory, it may be like very simple, but in the practical world, the impact analysis is a huge thing. It's very iterative and it's very comprehensive in nature, because impact takes into consideration about every factor of the project management and multiple other factors, and which will lead you to the right action step. And in case of risk, the action step is going to be preventive action, like what you are going to do to prevent this risk to happen. And in case of issue, it is going to be a corrective action. What you are going to do to make this correct. So preventive action may have another name. You may call preventive action as response plan. So the PMI's terminology for the risk prevention is response plan, and the PMI's terminology for the issue correction is workaround. RCA usually is done for the threats or problems, like a threat which is negative impact risk, or a problem which is an issue, or a risk which has already occurred. RCA is usually helpful over there. However, if you want, you can apply the RCA on the opportunities as well, via the same mechanism: causes, impact, action step. However, in that case, in case of opportunity, it's going to be only a risk with a positive impact, because you will not have, if it is already a realized opportunity, of course, you would not want to do the RCA over there. Any questions so far? So the RCA can be applied to both positive, negative risk, and the issue which is always negative.